Yes, sir.
Very good. Aditya also came. Very good. So this is example two. Example two is nothing but example one only. Small change. Very small change. This again same as in example one. So whatever it is, same thing only. But small change. Axis is same. In axis, that's no difference. So here I am creating a folder for data 2, just for example. Okay. So then I right click on a data 2, properties, sharing tab, advanced sharing. This is same. I click on a share this folder and I change share name. Okay. So I change the share name. Generally it shows data 2 only, but I change it to share 2. I change share name to share 2. Then go to permission, full control, apply OK, OK, close. Only one change, not much difference. Okay. Axis is also same. So instead of putting everything, so I will show you only what we do. So go to the same add PC, A only, I'm doing this. This also add PCA. So here it is in my E drive. So I'm creating new folder. Folder name is data2. Okay. I can do same thing. Say I can do on data1, but better to do in different. So here it is. But you have to this file from PCA with share name share to. Okay, just some data to understand whether it is working. I can put some anything. I can put a rich text document, another file, F3 also. In F3, I put a welcome, some text. Guys, when you create a text files, just for some any practice, better to type some line properly. Okay, so directory is created. I put some files, right click, properties, sharing tab, advanced sharing, share this folder. Here is the share name is share to, and I'm changing permissions, full control. So you will get a both read and write permissions. So this is simultaneous access. The 20 means 20 members simultaneously can access this particular folder. Original folder name is data2, but share name is share2. This one only I will capture. Virtual machine name not required. Even though this part is not required, this is enough space. So data2, sharing tab, advanced sharing, share this folder, and this is the share name. I change the share name and permissions. Everyone full control because we are in a just work group type access only. So Now next to it is click OK, OK kind of stuff. So we'll do apply, OK, apply, OK. Then you can see share name is changed. So I will use always advanced share only, guys. I don't use. Okay. So I don't use this just to share. Okay. I will use always advanced share. You can also try to habituate it to use advanced share only. The sharing is completed. Then we have to do access from PCB. Nothing, just the same as earlier. So from PCB access, but second time you're accessing, it may not show this. It may not be show this one. So we'll see only the output. Why it is blinking? Yeah, I given already attendance, Aditya. So we have to access, right? So first we have to go to run. So generally we have to go to run and open as same as a earlier. And this one is may not shows because it's you're already accessed once. Go to run, open the IP address. See now it is data one is showing. And where is the data two? It shows as share two. So we have a data. Here it is our share two. Guys, understand this? Example two.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Simple.
sir.
I change the share name only, nothing more.
What is the difference between these two, example one and example two? Both looks similar. Is there any advantage in example two?
Yeah, very good question. It is. Whatever the data name, that folder name in my original PC, the original data name you people don't know, so they know some other different name. So they don't know what is the exact name in the remote PC. So they will know the share name only. So I will tell to my user, so this is the share name. So open this, you will get the data. Okay. So this example is administrative share, or we call it as hidden share. Hidden share. What is this hidden share part? What is this hidden share? So here it is. Users, users access shared folder if they No shared folder name. Okay. If they don't know, they can't access. For example, I open this, I am getting all the shared things. Whether if I will check data one, my file is not there. Then I will check the share two. So whatever the share things, it is visible here. So directly I can able to open it. Okay, I can able to open it. But there is an important folder. There is an important folder. That folder contains a sensitive data. Only some people, if they know the folder or a shared name, then only they can able to access it. Okay, so that's the point here. So how to do that one? Same steps only, not a much different steps. Steps are same, but only small change. So I created data 3 here, put some files in it. Same first step is what happened. But suddenly whoop sound is came. Guys are able to hear?
Yes,
Some
sir, you are
disconnection
hearing.
is happening.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So what we are doing is we put a share name like this. Very simple it is. Add dollar after share name. Okay. By adding dollar after shared share name. So by doing this, we can able to do this. Simple it is. Same steps. Only thing is for share name you are putting dollar. You can put a data $3 also or any name ABCD dollar also. Just a dollar, nothing more. So same thing. Go to create a new folder. Any folder name you can create it. And I put some files inside. File from PCA, user access file if they know share name. Okay, save. Put some other things, richness document, some for put something inside. Oh, not required. Just a name is enough. Okay, same steps, right click, properties, sharing tab, advanced sharing, share this folder. I put a share name like this and put a dollar here. Permissions. If you want to limit number of users like a 2, 5, like that also you can change it. share this folder, see the share name, I change. Then I go to permissions, I give a permission. If you want to change this one also, you can change it. Now the sharing is completed. It is not visible. So you can see it is visible. So same thing, apply OK, but it is got changed. The sharing is completed. Now what is the next? You have to access shared folder. But accessing is maybe different. But I will try to show you the first time access. The normal access I'm showing, but once we see what happened, then we can change it. Now here we done mistake. Okay, it may not ask because first time you are accessing, it asks. Second time it won't may not ask. Share 3 data does not show. So that's the point. Okay. So first time we are going to run open, and where is share 3? We open as earlier, right? So same thing, but where is share 3? Data 1 is there, share 2 is there. Where is share 3? Okay, now accessing hidden share or administrative share. So simple, go to run / IP address / share name with dollar. So go to run / share 3 dollar. So you can see this share $3. So same mistake where I have done. Okay, so where it is, click OK. Now can you see share 3 directly it is showing. So user must know where is his data. See, shows. It's showing the data, and this is what with a dollar. Understand the difference, guys? Administrative share and normal share difference.
Right, sir.
Okay. So if you open it, for example, same. If you go here, it shows this thing only. You don't know hidden share. So anything hidden share is you don't know generally. But your administrator told you, so there is a your required data in the this particular folder in this share name. So what you have to do, put a your share name with that dollar symbol. Right. This is share. Yeah, don't worry, it is not completed. There is two more things I have to tell. One is example. Example are a practical, so anything you can put a name. Just for my thing, it is share. So what is this? I shared. I share with a different name. I share with a administrative share kind of stuff. That what is this fourth one is, guys? I'm. This is my PC. Now I want to access. Today, I know how to access the shared folder. So I access the shared folder today. I have a data in my remote PC. I shared. I use a sharing. So I going to run or maybe go to this network. Oh, no network discovery. No problem. So here it is. I go to here and I open the sharing. Then I see the sharing. I can access the data, right? Today is completed. So tomorrow again, I have to open. So user has to access remote shared data by open sharing folder every time or every day. So it is difficult for some time. Okay, it is difficult every day you are doing it. So what I'm doing is mount shared folder to the user system. So user not required to open shared folder with run and IP address, username, password kind of stuff. Okay, it is not required. So user can access shared folder as drive as a drive in this PC. Okay. This PC, go to this PC, access like a drive. Disk drive as drive, like a C drive, a D drive kind of stuff. So this is the mounting shared folder. Mounting shared folder. how to do it. For example, my data, my required data in share to. Okay, so I want to mount share to shared folder in my PC. Very simple. How to do it? First step, open run as how you access, open run, then put a // IP address of remote PC, RIGHT, right click on your shared folder, right click on your shared folder. So then I will show you. So simple, go to run. Normally, you know this one, right click on this, map network drive, map network drive. Map network drive. Right click here, map network drive. Map network drive. Next, once you click on map network drive, what will happen? So then it is asked which drive letter you want to do it. Do you want to put a Z drive, or maybe you want to Y drive, X drive? Reverse order, guys. Normally C drive, D drive, E drive. Here it is reverse order. You can choose any drive letter, and of course this one reconnect and sign in. Okay, use different credential if you want to access with a different kind of stuff. So then the next step it will shows this part. So select any drive, then finish. Which drive you want it, then click finish. Yeah, so it's clear. Here it is. Just finish. Once you're done, so it is showing like this. Okay. Directly once you've done that step, it will shows like this. Okay, it is showing directly as a drive, and also you can see from here, and you can see your data. You done this, right? So what I'm trying to show is go to this PC. Can you observe this share to and which system, which remote system and the drive letter, and it is showing the data here. Okay, this is your network drive. So I no need to do daily opening, sharing folder and all. Simply open this PC. It is there. Put the data or access the data. Of course, there is a concept called offline sharing folder is also there. That is I'm not going to do now. Okay. So this is all sharing, including this part. I have done all administrative sharings. So now the last part in the sharing folder. Map network drive is completed. Screenshots are not required. I want this only. I will take screenshots freshly. Guys, this part is sharing part is complete. Guys, up to here, understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are the, I have a shared folders. I have shared so much of data in my PC. Okay. From my PC, I shared so many data. Okay. But from you, you know the share name, or maybe you know the share name, but from where it is shared. Sometimes it can be from C drive, or maybe it can be from D drive, or it can be on desktop, or maybe internal folders inside a folder, inside that folder, inside that folder. Okay. Sharing can be happens from any, you can share it directory from anywhere. Folder, you can share it from anywhere. Okay. From any places, from so many places you can do sharing. But where use your shared folders and their original locations, what is their share names and their original locations, how to know it? So from where you are checking, use the command called a net share. Net share. So simple. Go to command prompt. Okay. I'm using a command called net share. Small letters or cap letters, no problem. Why? Because it is Windows system. So it is my share name is share $3. The original directory name is data 3. Data 1 is a share name. The original location is this one. Share name is share 2. The original folder name is this one. And C drive and E drive also shared by default share. By default share. Okay. There is some default sharing parties also. What happened? Yeah, it is there is a column because it's not that one. So I will have to take only screenshot. Okay. So net share in the PC. This is PCA. So see, this is my share name, share 2, data 1, share 3. And of course, C drive, E drive is also shared. Through command prompt, how to get it? This is through command prompt, how to get it. So instead of command prompt also you can get it. For example, you can go to comp mgmt.mpsc, comp mgmt .msc. It's a computer management. There you will get a sharing information, user information, disk management, service management, device management. So all these things you can get it from the comp mgmt.msc. Okay. So go to run. From run, go to comp mgmt.msc. Microsoft console. Like this. It is. You'll get a system tools, task scheduler, event viewers, shared folders, users and groups, performance, device management, disk management, service management. So many things you can able to get. What we need is a shared folder and shares. So once it is open, so go to shared folders, and that one shares. So I went to the shared folder, shares. When you have a time, just when you can able to do it, also go to all other options also. Okay. And also this is our folders, right? So this share 2, share 3, and data 1, and other things like a C drive, E drive, also you can try. So what is this, guys? This is a computer management. Comp mgmt.msc will shows computer management window. Take it as a big one. So this is your sharing folders. Okay. So very good. Here, so just 5 minutes only, guys. No problem. Change some settings. If you are unable to access shared folders. Okay. Unable to access shared folders or a printers. Okay. So if you are unable to access shared folders or a printers. Okay. So at PCA and the PCB also you can try that one. Okay. What setting? So network is good. So first remember network must be good. Then these settings. Go to control panel. Network and sharing center. Change advanced sharing settings. Okay. Turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing. So this is important. Okay. You can also do in all networks, turn on the sharing kind of stuff. Turn on password protected sharing. So two things important, guys. In private, turn on printer sharing kind of stuff. So first you have to go to control panel, network and sharing center. Change advanced sharing settings. Try to turn on file and printer sharing. Okay, first that is very important part. So what to do? First go to control panel, network and sharing setter, advanced sharing settings, turn on file and printer sharing. Not only one place, guys, multiple places also try it, because of your network may be registered as a private or maybe it is registered as a public. Okay, from Windows 7 onwards, some changes are happened. This is for a guest or public. Okay, for your private network, you can change it. If you are in a public, you can turn off. If you are in a public, you just turn off. Okay, this profile. This is not a big deal, but sometimes by default it is turned on, then it is good. And one more, all network settings. For all network, public shared, turn on sharing. So anyone with a network access can read, write files in the public folder. Turn on password protected sharing. File sharing connection, of course, it will do some basic encryption with 128-bit encryption. Turn on, turn on. Then once you're done, save settings. Once you're done, save settings. Okay. So this is the first means your network is okay, but still you are unable to access shared folders. Okay. Good to go, guys. Everything is fine.
Yes, sir.
For everyone, okay, for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I will tell printer sharing. Then it is the last class for hours. Okay, shared printer means it is already we given access like a shared printer. What is meant by shared printer? It is nothing but a local printer connected to a PC and share the printer through network. So users in other PCs in network can able to access. Okay. So already printer is installed. Printer is installed. So installed printer. You have to do first step is RIGHT. First you have to go to control panel, devices and printers. So open that one. So then right click on printer, which one you want to share. Okay, so up to there we'll go first. Was it? Control panel, devices and printers. This is the printer. I installed. So right click on the printer. You can't get a direct printer things. Go to printer properties. Go to printer properties. In the printer properties, select sharing tab, share this printer. That's it only. Just apply. Okay. Okay. So select share this printer. Just apply. Okay. Just so we are normal sharing only 64-bit drivers on. So go to sharing tab and share this. Share this printer. Then click apply. Okay. Apply. So printer is shared. So it is showing black color, but you can see the status will be states from default to sharing part. So refresh. State will be changed with the people like two members are like this. The state is changed. So I will only highlight this part. So see the check the printer. So it is showing means it is paired. Now sharing is completed. What next? What is next, guys? Printer is shared. Sharing is done. So what is the next one is accessing shared printer. So I shared from PCA. Okay. I share it from PCA. So it is at PCA is done. So I'm accessing from PCB. So how? Same thing. Share, open, run. If you are help me, then it is good for me. I can do faster, much easier. Then in a run, what to do? Put the PCS IP address. Okay. So if it is asked for username and password, give the username and password. Okay, give username and password of PCA. If it is asked, then right click on printer, right click on the printer, then connect. Okay, so same thing. Here it is. We know already this, how to open, run. Okay, same thing it is. We are using. It's not a big deal. So then open. So refresh. So can you see printer? Can you see printer? Right click on the printer. So it is shows connect. You have to click on the connect. Okay, you have to click on the connect. So it's a printer, right click, connect. Okay. So click on connect. Where it is, here it is. Right click, connect. So my done connect. So it has to run something. Nothing is running. So once you're done a connect, at PCB only, go to control panel, devices, and printers. In that one, check or printer. That printer name is showing or not. So another one is also there. Open any document, give print CTRL P, control CTRL P or for print purpose. Check printer showing or not. Okay. These are ways to whether it is connected or not, we can able to identify. Something it is wizard is running. Now it is installing. Okay. It is installing printer. Okay. So after this one, it will show us like this. You don't need to do anything, just it is showing printer is installing. Meanwhile, I will go to control panel, guys. All are went to the lunch. I'm only waiting. So in my laptop, in my personal laptop, it is not showing currently. It may shows once it is done. It may not be successful also. So do not worry. Why? Because of I am in a domain environment. So my laptop, my username authentication happens with the domain. And the system is not in the domain. So this system is not in the domain. It's a work group PC. Okay. So maybe authentication related issues. Oh, I've done 2 times. Cancel one time. Let it do. Let it do. Is it done? It is asking username and password. So I have to give which name? PCS, username and password admin at the rate 123. So you can use remember my password also. So I will try that one. Okay. Give username and password. You select remember my password or not. That is also not required. Okay. It's okay. I am copying here. So where it is? Here it is. I don't want to remember any password. After that, I will remove it. It will take another 2 minutes. So it has to first name answer. So I'm clicking yes. Okay. Why it is showing something? Some credentials kind of stuff. Just connect. Just try once more. Then if it is not, then we'll try. Slow connectivity from here to here. So actually what will happen? This is my remote PC, and the printer is installed here. So I shared the printer from here, right? So printer is installed here means the drivers are here. These drivers will be loaded into my PCB. First drivers has to be installed, then the printer will be connect. Okay, but steps are same. It is not giving connectivity or anything. I said no, there is a problem with two systems. So one is in a work group, another one is a domain. So maybe authentication related issues. can be happens sometimes. Both are in a domain, both are in our group. Mostly we can save no problem. Yes, select 2, 3 times now, so that's it is showing. Okay, just I wait another 2 minutes. Something. Okay, C2, student 1, password, admin, @ 123. Yeah.
చేంజ్ ఉందా మీ దగ్గర
ఎంత సార్
100
చూస్తానండి ఒక్క నిమిషం. Okay, guys, this is not connected. Okay, so no problem. But those are the steps to do it. I hope you got some thing to understand. Okay, so I can't able to show this one. Okay, that's it for today. And this is your almost the last class. If anything is, guys, I will inform you. So I will inform sir also about a next your soft skills class when it will be happens. Meanwhile, prepare technical also. Any doubts, put it in a group. Okay. I hope you
Okay, sir.
enjoy today's class also.
ఓకే సార్
Okay, sir. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Okay.
Sir,
Thank
sir,
you,
when the
guys.
technical interview is there, sir?
After version test completed. Okay.
After version. Okay, sir.
Version completed. So you have a technical interview. But meanwhile, prepare, guys. Okay. So anything, any
Okay.
information you required for updating, just put it in a group. I will give you that information.
Okay, sir.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్
Okay. Thank you,
ఓకే
guys.
థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ సార్
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, guys.